Hello friends, and welcome back to another episode of Minimum Bet Monday. And we are gonna play.
I forgot.
I know. See, you're a bad keeper.
So not used to having it. He is mine.
Mr. Funsies, only for today.
He is mine.
Well,
He will be mine.
he's been yours, but only for today. We are gonna play. What is this called? Dragon Train. We had so much fun playing it the last time. I think this was like 2 or 3 weeks ago that we did a competition, and of course I won.
Because we went a little over the time, otherwise I won.
No, we went over because I was in a bonus.
No, I had one. And then
No,
you're
you
like,
hadn't.
oh, there's still 2 minutes
Don't
left.
make
and
me
there's
go.
already
I'm
30
gonna
minutes
make you.
left.
I'm gonna make you look.
Watch the video. It's over 30 minutes.
It might be over 30 minutes, but it's because I was winning.
No, I was winning before. I guarantee.
No, you weren't. I think
guarantee.
I had more
No.
bonuses.
No.
Whatever. Anyways, hopefully I win. I get Mr. Funsies back. I don't cheat.
Lies. She lies.
Whatever. Enjoy while I win. I feel like we are good. You can see your denomination
I am
and both
winning.
screens.
I
These
am
are kind
winning.
of angled, so
And away we go.
that's right.
The battle of the bonuses begins now. You need 5 of
Just
those.
like this.
5 or 6.
6. 5 is on the other
So you need
dragon.
6 of those or
game.
3 of these for bonus, which
We didn't play this one, so I don't even know what I need for this one. Oh, I'm guessing it's that
I
thing.
think so. Yeah, when you get in the bonus, it is a point. Person with the most points at the end of 30 minutes gets to keep Mr. Funsies. Did you see how I said that?
I
Gets
will
to
keep.
Mr. Funsies.
I will always be keeping Mr. Funsies.
Now, since he's in my possession, that means I'm going to win.
Not for long, sir.
Oh, I had a mini on my screen. I could have won $10 over here.
You're only playing 50 lines?
Yes.
I am playing 100 lines. I am playing minimum bet on all the options, though.
So we said we need 6 of them.
Yeah. And we need
With the
funsies.
train. There's like
Oh,
a
that's
train.
$100 orb. Whew.
There's the train option also.
Yes, there is
Use
that
the
train
Fortune 8
option.
jackpot. Oh,
That-
there it
that
is.
right there.
See that train? Probably have to win that. Ooh! Ah. Sword, I almost had it.
Oh, 1 up. Rude.
So I definitely like the other train.
Oh yeah, the Midnight Express,
like,
way better. Yeah.
Way better.
Do it. Oh.
Ah.
Do it.
Do
Do
it.
it. Rude.
Almost had it. Almost had it
Rude.
there. It's definitely way more fun when you're starting out with
I
the
know.
bonus right off the bat. So, feel
Well,
like
that tends to happen to us when we are unaware of how the game works. I feel it's like, let us show you, let us entice you, and then you will never ever do this again. All right, so I'm going to go to the $2 denomination, 100 lines, $2 bet, which is also minimum.
You should do the $2 one at 100 lines.
I don't even think that's an option.
Well, it's,
Ooh, excellent.
I think this has expanding wilds and the option to get in right off the bat. first and the last rows, I think, have extra
The little extra balls, yeah.
orbs added. Ooh, retrigger.
Oh, retrigger. Oh, that should be good. Hiya!
Okay, so just need two
more.
more at the end. Come on, do it with a word. Do it with a word. Do it. Do it.
Rude.
I would say that was pretty atrocious.
Woo, that was very atrocious.
Wow. At least I got a point. Back to back.
You do have a point. It's not a good point, but it's a point.
Sheesh. Certainly tried. Just didn't try very hard. Do it, do it, do it.
I mean, I'm not even seeing orbs on mine. Oh, there we go. Come on. Oh, look at that. Ooh, there you are.
Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. No, come on. All right, now I need a train.
Choo-choo.
Get a train. Or a major. I'd rather have the major. Forget about the train. One spin remaining. Save it. All right. Well,
That's it?
Yeah, 2-0.
At least you're getting points.
With my poo. Expanded wilds, there you go. That should be points a flying.
Should be.
I would think at 100 lines the horses line up. Jacks.
Oh, that was good.
That's good. Okay, now
Do
get
it. Do it. Boom, chakalaka. Boom. Oh,
Does
yeah.
that count as another one?
Yeah, it's the retrigger that does not. So 2-2. I like it. Just like that.
Not only am I losing, but your bonuses are way better than mine.
Choo-choo! Let's get a train.
The train does not count as another bonus, though.
No. Ooh, a mini.
Cool.
Choo-choo! Ooh, let me just
Right,
fill the
get a
screen.
Get a grand, we'll end it, and you can have Mr. Funsies.
That's right. He'll be with his rightful owner. Come on, save it. Save it. I'm still in free games. Don't you press your button.
Saving money, watching you.
Oh yeah.
For $2, this is a fantastic bonus.
Yeah.
Compared to my $5, my $7.50.
There we
Not
go.
even $5. It was like
Do it again.
one.
Please and thank you. Don't be rude.
Wild.
Retrigger.
Wild.
Oh, wild. Oh, I needed wild at the end. Nothing lined up.
And you got lost a line up there with the
Yeah.
bonus.
Last free game. Let's get the balls of fire. Or retrigger. Boo. That was very good, I think.
I like it.
Oh, one more.
Oh. Do it.
Oh, there it is. Choo choo. Let's do it. Ooh.
Maybe
Are
this
you
one
in?
will be better. Now I need to get the
The balls
little
inside, yeah.
orbs so I can get ahead of you on by 2. Do it. Stuff lined up.
Yeah.
Already doing better than the last one.
Oh,
do
yeah.
it. Queens lined up.
Queens lined up.
Maybe.
Yeah.
'Cause I'm only playing 50 lines. Yeah, they did. Oh, that was a good one.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's get these orb things. Oh, the green things line up. They probably pay good. Okay. Orbs one time, do it.
I mean, that middle row keeps punching you in the face.
Maybe I'll get 4 rows of wilds. Never had a chance at the orbs.
Well, there you go.
I guess I had 2 on the first reel one time.
Oh, you did? I didn't even. Was that the first spin?
Yeah.
Oh. So it is 2 to 3.
Yes. I have 3. That is correct. Probably get the trains.
All right, I am
Or the
going to go
train.
up to the 5-cent DNAW. 50 lines, minimum bet. Do it. Oh, rude. The 5. Do it. Oh.
Come on.
Are we so excited for our new red shirts?
I am. I like red.
Me too. Tis
Mine
my
are-
favorite
I got
color.
mine with nothing.
Kind of like the Grand. Tis my favorite color.
My favorite color is purple, but the mini is not all that exciting. Not that I
No.
wouldn't take 10 of them.
Ah,
I'd be ecstatic with a major. Do it. Do it. Oh, I had both chances.
oh, you dead.
Neither of them. Do it. Come on.
I'm definitely not seeing the train a lot, that's for sure.
Keep getting chances at both of them. And it just says no.
It's funny because I'm getting chances at neither of them.
Do it. Come on.
Oh, minor. By itself.
That would have been nice. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes. 4 to 2.
Wait, they.
Maybe I'll get a major right now. Right now. Probably get a train too.
That would
Train
be
and
the
a major.
funsies. Choo choo.
Train and a major. Major. Forget the train.
Choo choo.
Maybe I'll get the major in the train.
Have we seen words in the
I
train?
don't think so, but
Yeah.
I can be hopeful.
You could be a first. Oh, look at you. 12,535 doll hairs.
I wonder if you want to see it go by.
Boom
I don't care if it
shakalaka.
goes by, I just want to see it land. Train.
Yeah, right?
Train. It's better than my last one.
Okay, so 5 cents sucked. So I'm going to the 10 cent with the $5 bet, which is minimum on the 50 liners.
I had boba today.
You what?
I had boba today. I love boba. I love good boba. Certain places that have had it and it's not so exciting. It's like an almond flavored ice, well, blended with boba.
Come on, do it, do it. Choo choo.
Got a mini and a dragon train.
Okay.
Yeah, those 3 landed. You looked over like, oh crap. The only thing with this game is if you get in the bonus and you have where you re-trigger the other one, you could potentially get 3 or 4 at one time. Like,
Yeah.
here's where I'm ahead of you by 3, 5 to 2. So I'll probably be ahead of you by 4 right now. Right now, one more. Oh, wild would be good, but one more with the train. Ah.
The king's lined up though.
Come on. Doesn't even give you the excitement at the end, huh? Come on. Train.
Ooh.
No chances at it, though.
Yeah. Now it shows up.
Killer bonuses I'm getting here, though. $6.
I mean, at least you're getting bonuses.
Yeah. Major with 5 others. Do it. Ooh. One of these times I'm gonna
Get the inside game.
get the train with it. Wilds. Wild.
Yeah. Oh, that's good. Yeah.
I would think coins are flying. 'Cause I got 10s and the
Yeah.
no coins.
Oh.
Do it.
Yeah, you're doing it this time. Train. No train, no.
So I'm up
4, 5.
5. 7 to 2. Hope I get a train. Get a major. Forget the train. Minor would be cool.
Or get both.
Oh, okay.
Fill it in.
Bum.
No. Still have 3 games left.
3, I think. 3. Makes you watch it.
Yeah, until it starts rolling the money up. Yeah. You could do it again.
Wild.
Oh.
Wild that line up with things. Should be more specific. Wild. Get a major with 5 others. Oh, I couldn't re-trigger.
Wrong game.
Do it. Come on. We have about 10 minutes left.
Yeah. You're starting with that first one a lot.
Do it. Take mine. You will be a winner. We need the trains. You definitely just needed it.
It's very boring when you're not doing
Oh,
diddly
yeah.
squat. It's amazing how the different
Oh.
casinos
No coins? No coins?
will let the games play differently. Like it's just so different from the first time we played it.
Do it. Come on. Oh, those were big numbers too.
I guess I'm not meant to have Mr. Funsies back. How rude.
He wants to stay with me.
I see that.
He's my friend. Do it. Do it. Oh, there you go. You could get 4 right now.
Yeah. So it's 3 to
7.
7.
Wild. Can you get 6 on the first row? So you
I think
start out?
5.
Poo-poo.
Why is it making a sound on the last reel?
As if to say, this
Yeah.
is what you're not going to get. Do it.
Do it.
Ooh, look at ya.
I'm on fire. 4-7.
Yes. Probably get a train here too, won't ya? Get a train.
Choo choo. Give me the train.
what the train does.
Save it!
You are catching up.
I need 3 more. Oh, choo-choo!
I feel like I should end with a $100 bonus and keep on with Mr. Funsies.
Look at me.
All those wilds.
Yeah. Do it. Rude.
Would have been nice.
Oh.
First chance I actually felt like I had at it.
We have 3 minutes left. It's gonna be tough. I need 3.
It's doable on this, though.
Not if I can't get bonuses. See how that hinders the process?
It's so nice of those wilds to show up for you. Do it. Do it.
I feel like we are close enough to where I'm good. I shan't be feeding the machine.
I will keep him.
The Mr. Funsies. He's mine. Sad face for me. It's okay, I'll bring you home soon.
Probably not.
Whatever.
I will keep you for a while.
All right, make sure you subscribe and like, and we will see you on the next one.
Thank you so much for joining us, friends, and I hope you are as excited to watch all of the funsies unfold. Please share this with a friend you think may enjoy watching us hit jackpots with JackPot Nay.